The next flow Air Mag nozzle design is a significant improvement over the standard cone-shaped nozzles which have previously been available on the market and for which we still can supply. The Air Mag nozzle gives a very high force per CFM ratio, which allows the nozzles to be used in applications where previous cone-shaped nozzles may not have had enough force to accomplish the particular job that the application requires. The next flow Air Mag nozzle has a patented design such that you can create a laminar flow for a longer distance than competitive models which may be of similar but not quite the same design. There are two different versions. They come in either a cast zinc version or in a 316L stainless steel version. There are two standard sizes, 1/4 inch inlet and also 1/2 inch inlet where a much greater force is required.